Hi everybody. Today we're going to discuss about the five qualities improved by adapting higher order critical thinking skills. So we are going to discuss about the five qualities improved by adapting higher order critical thinking skills. People with higher order thinking skills can redefine the entire problem in a completely fresh angle. We would not have seen it before. So this is the first quality, that is redefining is the first quality where people with higher order thinking skills can redefine the entire problem, because whenever we see a problem, we look at it from only one angle and we think that there is only one solution for a problem. And if you are going to develop your higher order thinking skills, then you will be able to redefine the problem, because whenever a problem is understood, if it is defined, and if a problem statement is written, then it is easy for you to find solutions. So this has to be done because we need to look at any situation, a problem, in a new angle, look at it as a fresh thing so that a new idea will come into our mind. And the second one is flexibility. So people who have higher order thinking skills will be adapting themselves to new situations because they'll be flexible enough. They know that this is important. They will not be rigid, because a critical thinking skill, or a person who is a critical thinker, will be able to look at any situation from different perspectives, and they will give and they will allow people to tell their opinions. They will understand all sorts of possible perspectives from other people, and they will ask a lot of questions to know more about the particular situation. The information gathering will be done, and they will not be rigid by keeping their bias and giving a solution. They will be flexible enough, and they will adapt to new situations. Whatever new things come, like, they will adapt themselves, and they will also support improvisations, and they will have shifting strategies, because one particular route is not always correct. There will be several routes, but when we try one and we fix ourselves, we don't try the other routes. Whereas a critical thinker or a person with higher order thinking skills will definitely try and shift strategies to arrive at a better solution every time. And he will be, or she will be, welcoming fresh perspectives to meet any challenges. So, as I said, they will not be rigid. They will look at things from others' point of view also, and that is what is a critical thinker is. So, when you start looking at a situation from others' point of view, the problem itself will look in a different type, and the solution also will be arrived easily. And also, when you adopt higher order thinking skills, you improve your flexibility levels. As I said, you will not be rigid. Once again, I would like to tell you that you will not be rigid, and you will improve your flexibility levels, because as people, as human, we always believe what is there in our mind, what we think is right. So we always block our mind listening to, taking new inputs which is not matching with what we think. But as a critical thinker, or if you adopt and improve your higher order thinking skills, then you will be flexible enough. You will not be rigid. You will not be focusing or limiting yourself with your own thoughts. You will allow the new people or the new inputs enter into your mind so that you can take a better solution. And third one is ability to create original ideas. So this is a wonderful ability. Once a higher order thinking skills is there, they will have an ability to create original ideas, because you don't have to copy something. Suppose some same situation has occurred somewhere else, and there is a solution for that problem. It is not necessary that you too have to follow the same. So you may have to think in a different, a creative manner. So this is what the higher order thinking skills allows you to do, and you will develop an ability to have a creative, and also have some new original ideas that pop up in your mind, and you don't copy from what others say. and you will be having the ability to create original ideas. You will be thinking like want to know how. So higher order thinking abilities will stimulate the brain to look for wider possibilities to resolve the problem. So you will be searching for different options. You will not close your mind and give one solution and run away from there. You will think like how I can do it differently, how I can do it better. So that sort of attitude will be there, and you observe, you question, you listen, you analyze, you process, and validate everything around you. So this is what is the ultimate quality of a person with higher order thinking skill, or the one who adopted the higher order thinking skill. So you will have the patience, you will have the flexibility, you will have an attitude to observe what is happening around, and also you need to ask a lot of open-ended questions. So asking questions will fetch you more informations, and when you're asking questions you will also have the ability to listen. So when you listen, you will also know what others are thinking, what is really happened, and then you will have an analyzing ability. And also after analyzing, you need to process it and validate whatever is happening around you. You will not blindly believe what others say, you will validate with reasoning. And this critical thinking stimulates you to find what is needed and see what new changes can be made. So that is what is the ultimate ability of a critical thinker. And you will think about new frameworks or strategies to use. So this is very, very essential, because the new thing that comes in only will create some a different type of solution, and a unique solution and a better solution. So you become curious. It all leads to drawing original ideas. So when you start thinking, thinking itself is a starting point for ideas. So when you start thinking with a fresh mindset, and taking all the inputs carefully, and then the ability to analyze everything, you will definitely start opening up with new original ideas. So that is very, very essential. So what you need to know is very essential for a critical thinker. And then a critical thinker, or a person who adopted higher order thinking skills, will always look forward. So that is a very, very important quality. When you're always looking forward, you will have curious minds. The critical thinkers will have curious minds. And that two people who adopt higher order thinking skills in their approaches, they are always curious, analytical, and logical. So they will be able to make decisions. They will not blindly believe anything. They will be curious enough to collect information and think in different perspectives. And also they will believe something logically. Like they need facts. They will not go with just like the predictions, or someone who is casually saying something. They will not go with that. They rely on the facts, and they look forward to anything and everything in their life. And they are never afraid of changes and challenges. Definitely a higher order thinking skill person need not worry about the changes and challenges, because he has the ability to cope up with any challenge that comes forward. So that is how you need to prepare yourself, because we don't know how the world is going to change. So they keep looking forward to facing new things and meet new people, because when you start seeing new things, you develop your knowledge, and a lot of inputs come into your mind. And when you see new people, you will also learn a lot of thinking abilities from other people. So that's very good attitude, and they gain more knowledge. As I said, when you go and meet people, when you see a lot of new things without putting a bias or without blocking your mind that I know everything, when you start interacting with people, talking to people, more than talking, listening from what others say, your knowledge increases. And they widen their mental abilities. This is very, very essential, because the mental abilities are very essential in this crucial period, to cope up with any challenge or any change that comes in, and any new thing, new technology, or the changes that are required. Like you need to improve your mental abilities. You cannot blindly by heart something, as the students do in the school. They need to start thinking. They need to know how to apply. So that mental abilities are very, very essential. And next is always they look forward. Like if you want to be a better critical thinker, and bring higher order thinking skills, keep looking forward and challenging yourself. So you don't have to run away or fear away for anything. You need to look forward bravely, and you need to prepare yourself to face any challenge. And the next one is tolerating ambiguities. The key quality of higher order thinking skill is people with tolerate uncertainties, who will be able to tolerate uncertainties. Let the uncertainty come, let me face it, I know how to overcome. So that, for that thought positive way of accepting that is very very important. So they need to tolerate uncertainties and ambiguities irrespective of any situation of life, because certain natural thing that is happening is not under our control. So we have to be prepared to face any challenge that comes in, and it makes them highly resilient than the rest. So people with higher order thinking skills will be able to be more resilient, more balanced, and they will not get shattered for anything that comes in their way, any shocking news or any shocking change that happens. They will be stable, and they will be able to cope up with all those challenges. And that is what is the qualities which we need to develop, and by developing that we will be able to become a better critical thinker, and we will also be able to succeed in our life. The five qualities, once again I would like to recall: the redefining nature, the flexibility, ability to create original ideas, and always looking forward, and also not run away from any challenges, like tolerating ambiguities. So a higher order thinking skill or a critical thinker develops all these qualities, which are very very essential for this century. And not only the adults, but also right from the school, the children have to be taught to think in that way. The higher order thinking skills is very essential to survive. And thank you so much. See you next time.